Zero fees and weekend uni with QA Higher Education. Stop scrolling. UK degrees can cost you nothing. Yes, zero fees for real. Caught in that 9 to 5 grind? Or juggling parenting and no childcare? QA Higher Education teams up with top unis in 6 UK cities: London, Birmingham, Manchester, Newcastle, Southampton, and Cardiff. Choose evening or weekend classes, and enjoy half of your course online. Flexible study meets your busy life. Student finance covers tuition fees, living costs, and childcare costs up to 85%. That's serious support doing the heavy lifting for you. With 100+ career-ready courses from business to cybersecurity, nursing to engineering, your next step starts this September. Ready to start? Head to specstudy.co.uk and fill out the 60-second form now. Limited seats available. Know someone who's overpaying for uni? Tag them below and share this amazing chance.